Hello, everybody. I decided to test a different kind of product today. It's more like threatfire, kind of a behavioral-based analysis product. Um, it's called Mamutu. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's by Emsisoft, the people who make A Squared, and it's a pretty good product, but from what I've heard, it uses a good deal of RAM, just like the other A Squared product, and but I'm interested to see how it does. So I'm going to begin installing this here. I have 9 malicious URLs that are executables from either today or yesterday, and I'm going to be seeing what it does. It's a pretty small installer. .52 megabytes. So it shouldn't take too long to install. All set. So, hang on. I'm going to have to pause this here, just to get myself log into my account and get registered. So I'm going to pause the video for a sec here. Okay, so I registered and did the 30-day trial. Right now it's doing an update thing, update configuration. So, installs program help, additional languages. You can choose to install beta updates if you want it to install untested files. I'm not going to do that. I don't need to download any extra files. I'm going to go ahead with this. So it actually downloads the application now, it looks. Downloads the main application. So that was a pretty quick update. I'm going to leave the alert reduction on. I'm going to leave paranoid mode off, I guess. So, here we go. It's loading in here. And everything looks okay. If I do online update, it's all updated. So, I'm going to, well, I'm just going to take a quick look at the settings menu, just because, and just take a look at the interface here too. So it shows me my processes. If I don't like a process, I can quarantine the process or kill the process. So it can watch for possible backdoor activity. It's watching for all these different activities. That's what the behavioral-based analysis is. And so it's going to watch for that type of things, and it's going to alert me if it sees anything. I could probably prevent more malware if I did paranoid mode, but that would just annoy me. So I'm going to leave that alone. The quarantine, that's where you're going to see quarantine files, log files, settings, notify settings, logging permissions. All set. So, Just because I forgot to do a time check in the beginning, I have to hit my head on a brick wall just because of that. I keep forgetting. I'm gonna continue in part 2 because I don't know when I'm gonna have to break up the video for YouTube's stupid 10-minute time limit. So I'm gonna stop this and continue in part 2 where I'm gonna test the URLs against Mamutu or whatever.